Here we have this LED liquor bottle display shelf by Vevor, and this is what it comes with: the plug, the cord, the remote control, the instructions. The cord has the QR code and the instructions also on the back. The plug is right here on the back, which you connect it to. Here you go. And the bottom is very nice also. It's a velvet material, so it's prevents it from slipping. So I went and plugged it in. The QR code is to download an app. So you could download the app and control it with your phone or the control. So I went ahead and placed it on my bar. I put 4 bottles so you could see how it looks. You could easily fit 8 bottles, and yeah, looks great. Here's a better look at the remote. So you could put it on auto, change the modes. You could change the speed, the brightness, the colors down here. If you wanted just to set it on 1, put it on white. You could sync it with the music, and it has a timer: 1, 2, 3, and 4 hours.